millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights to the market with y'all. Man, salute to everybody for pulling up on me, everybody for holding the channel down while I've been gone. Y'all know I had a wedding to attend back home in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Salute to everybody that I got to, touch bases with, all the fam. It was definitely, needed, and, it was a good time. So, first off, y'all know we got our private investment community here, private stock market game. Y'all got to come get tapped in if y'all haven't been already. Also, we got our Twitter page. Follow me at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the channel is spelled. Also, follow me on Instagram. We'll be doing live streams, giveaways over there as well. You don't want to miss it. So now, how many of y'all been, staying down for the come up and, holding tight? Let's see where we at right now. Because I seen a little panic a couple days ago when we had this dip. When was this? Right here on... Yeah, about the 15th. I seen a few people panicking, but if y'all have been, watching the channel, going back to watch those last about 30 videos, then y'all technical analysis game is up to par. And I just like to say, I appreciate all the feedback from everybody that's been telling me that y'all have been learning a lot. I would like to say that I have the most informed subscribers on YouTube. Yes, y'all are the most informed investors as, a whole community, because nobody else is bringing this content like this to y'all with live technical analysis. So I'm starting to see some of y'all make y'all own, do your own TA, and y'all are, being accurate with it. So, it's good to see that y'all are learning. It's good to see that everybody's making money, and, nobody's, the ones that have been following along aren't panicking. But if y'all just joined in, I seen a lot of comments. Maybe those were just new people that came to watch, but I'm telling you, here on the 15th, I was getting a lot of comments like, what's going on? What's going on? Why is it going down? Is it going to keep going down? Look what happened. I try to tell y'all that the market makers shake y'all out of y'all position. They get y'all to worry, and then the price shoots up. Now, also, here's a new pattern that we're forming here that we can cover as we go on. So y'all notice I've been breaking down a lot of things to y'all through these videos. So today we got something new. This is right here a classic cup and handle pattern that we're forming right here on the 4-hour. So you see this movement that we got here. We got this we had our initial bullish movement. We had this pullback, the rise, and then we formed this handle here. And now this is a classic sign that we like to look for. After the handle is formed, you can see we met that resistance line here at the top of the cup, but we had a pullback and it held support right here at the end of that handle. So normally this is an extremely bullish sign. If we add up the candles next to it also, we can see that these are bullish candles. So remember, I told y'all, when y'all see the candle like this, when it's looking like the candle has more real body to the top and the wick or the shadow is longer at the bottom, that shows that even though it's red and was a lot of selling right there, this is still considered bullish, because it was, now don't get me wrong, it was a bearish momentum in this candle, but the bulls were here. The bulls were definitely present, because they pushed this selling candle all the way from being down to this point. They pushed it all the way back up to here where it closed, and opened here, closed here, and fought all the way back up to where we are right now. So it's looking good. Remember, I told y'all at the bottom of that, remember, this is not a big reversal, and this is, sometimes this is really tricky, but we had a nice impulse even on this small level right here, slight correction. So we should be seeing some impulse again, and we had a doji candle forming after this little red, even though it's not a major downtrend, but that's just something you want to pay attention to. That doji candle signifies that the buying and selling pressure were equal right there on both sides. So somebody's going to have to make a decision. Somebody's going to have to step off the line, and right now the bulls have more momentum behind them, but we need to see more volume come in order to break this resistance line. If we can break this resistance line, then we can see us retest that 20 or 31 level. So now you determine your target price off of the cup and handle pattern based on, from the bottom of the cup, this it would basically be a circle. So let's see. Okay, so here's the I'll draw the pattern here. So we got the pattern here. I'm forming it with this red paintbrush. So that's the cup. You see we stop at the resistance line, see rejection, find support right there on the handle. We see a little mini breakout to complete the handle, and then we find some support here. Now this is the target. So our target price would be from the bottom right here of the cup to the resistance line. So that's, you know, the distance that we're looking to see on the breakout. So let's see. So right about there, give or take a little bit. So our new target would technically be this 32 range. Now nobody else is showing y'all this, so if y'all could, you know, leave a like on the video, drop in the comment section something that you appreciate from this video. If you found something informative, that would definitely let me know to, you know, keep providing this level of value for y'all. But yeah, that's looking like our target, because one, now if we look back in the history of the chart, we see, let's look what happened last time in this area. So if we look right here before the breakout, if we look in this area, we've seen some congestion, but we did see these ranges. Now it's showing us that we want to go higher than this last point where we saw resistance, and eventually retest these areas of all-time high. So well, not all-time high, but just most recent highs. So if we can hold this, if we can get some more, you know, I need y'all to pull up. You know, this is not financial advice. You know, always use proper risk management. Never put yourself in a hole. Never jump right in. Dollar cost average, buy the dip. You know, be smart. And if you don't believe in a project, then definitely do not invest in the project. But you know, we need to see some more volume come in, so that way we can, you know, do what's expected on the chart. So this is what it's looking like. And honestly, if we see this breakout here, how many of y'all are going to be salty that y'all didn't buy right here? Especially if you watch this video. Now, this is not financial advice, because guess what? If we don't see volume come in, we can break to the downside and go even further than this distance from the bottom of the cup to the resistance line. We can go further down that range to the downside. So if we don't hold that, we could be retesting these 20 areas again, back to the 21s if we let it slip. So and even if we go past that, man, it can, you know, can get a little shaky. But honestly, I still think we have a lot of good news coming. We still got the Robinhood news coming in. Also, we got, you know, articles like this coming out. You know, people are becoming more bullish about SHIB by producing, you know, bullish content. So here's an article from International Business Times. Y'all can come check it out. It says Shiba Inu could reach 50 cents by December 2022. Here's the math behind the milestone. So let's check this out real quick. This is an article from Vinod, I believe it said. Just dropped today. So Shiba Inu had a spectacular run during the first week of October 2021 as the coin shot up 360% and tripled investors holding in just a matter of 2 days. If y'all have been watching the channel, y'all caught that run up. So many people told me they tripled their money because they didn't panic during that time. They were able to see, based on the Fibonacci retracement, we were finding major support in that range, and we called it. You know what I'm saying? So salute to y'all that's been paying attention. But the bull run didn't stop there and continued the upward trend for another 2 days, making new investors flock towards the coin. While everyone is hoping that Shiba Inu would touch the 1 cent mark, the coin has the ability to breach 1 cent milestone and reach an all-time high of 50 cents by December 2022. So Shiba Inu has risen close to 25 million% since its inception on August 2020, with an average monthly growth of over 2 million%, and had a stellar bull run up until October 2021. Despite dipping to new lows during the Bitcoin crash from May to July 2021, SHIB, despite being new to the cryptocurrency market, has taken the giants head on by touting itself as the Dogecoin killer, and stayed true to its title by elbowing Doge in its own game, and arguably performed much better than its rival during Q3 and Q4 of 2021. So apart from edging Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has also grown to be the third most talked about cryptocurrency in the world, and is only behind giants Bitcoin and Ethereum. So SHIB has already gained momentum for itself to be the next hottest crypto in the market, and reaching its milestones would be tough but not impossible. So it just jumped up on us. Okay, let's see. For Shiba Inu to touch the 1 cent dream mark, it needs to grow 2,500% each month and maintain the same momentum up until December 2022. For Shiba Inu to touch the 1 cent dream mark, it needs to grow 2,500% each month and maintain the same momentum up until December 2022. To reach 50 cent mark, Shiba Inu needs to buckle up and go on a Herculean task by rising 1.7 million% from today's price, which is a steady monthly growth of 28,000% up until December 2022. Now, the $1 million question is, would Shiba Inu hold on to its positive momentum for 15 months from now? The answer is, if the coin has risen 25 million% since its inception, there could be a chance for it to rise 1.7 million with a monthly growth of 28,000%. For that to happen, only time can answer. So salute to International Business Times for this article. Obviously, they're very bullish on SHIB as well. Let me know, do y'all think that's possible? We're gonna have to start looking into those numbers, man. But that's all we got for this, man. Let me know if y'all appreciate this video, and I appreciate y'all for pulling up on me. We are out.